Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farzana Shaheen, and today I'm just talking about some words that are confusing. They have sometimes same pronunciation, but they are different words, different meanings. So let's see. So you will learn in that how to pronounce them and what do they mean also. I'll try to use the sentences also. So let's see. So we'll be talking about I just prepared this one. There are 3 kinds of words, like they are similar some way, and today only one, and then I'll continue, like I'll make these 3 videos on them, right? So the first one is this one, then we have second one, the third one, and then if you want you can ask questions. It's not like in the video, but you can, you can ask in the comments. Okay, so the first one is, first word, you know all that, it's floor, right? Floor, floor जिसको आप फर्श भी कहते हैं. फ्लोर फर्श ज़मीन पे भी होता है, और दूसरा हम जब स्टोरीज की बात करते हैं that also we use that word floor, first floor, second floor. So that's the word floor. सबको इसका मीनिंग पता है. So let's see the sentence. If we say the floor is still wet, the floor is still wet, and then you can say she lives on the second floor. Okay, then the second word is flower. Everyone know that too. Flowers, they're beautiful, right? This flower is beautiful. Which flower do you like, by the way? I like roses the most. So these 2 pronunciation you have seen, floor and then flower. The third one, the confusion is about that. What is this? Can you tell me what this word is? Mostly it's used as floor. No, the right pronunciation is flower. Flower. And the sentence I'm using, I prefer whole wheat flour. I prefer whole wheat flour. ये जो पूरा whole wheat होता है उसका आटा मुझे पसंद है. ये आटा होता है, right? This is the first one. What do you say? We'll do the next one in the next videos. Bye.